Welcome to another SMC's how-to video. Today we are going to show you how to change a new SY valve manifold supply port fitting from inline to elbow type. Let's start. Begin by fully loosening and removing the 3 manifold tension screws from the U side, the furthest side from the electrical connection. Here, we see size 5000, but for smaller size 3000 there happen to be 2 screws. Carefully separate the manifold between the supply and exhaust end block and valve stations. The fittings are retained by a metal plate that you should remove, as well as the fitting to be changed. Then, insert the new fitting and push in the retaining plate. Rejoin the 2 halves of the separated manifold. Finally, refit and tighten the 3 manifold tension screws. So, you've seen how easy it is to modify our SY valve manifold. Take a look at our other SMC's how-to videos to see all the possibilities our products bring to you.